welcome to Plum Goodness. So have you guys been wanting to try out new creative eye looks and end up doing the same old wing liner styles? It's okay, it's all of us. So today I'm going to be creating 3 different eye looks that is going to match up your outfit using the Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. So let's get started. So the first look is going to be the party style eyes, and I want all the drama in my eyes. So I'm going to be doing this dramatic eyeliner look to go in with my outfit. I love how this kajal is highly pigmented and the creamy look it has. Just going to quickly take a brush and smudge it out. Going to be something that you can wear to work. Going to work doesn't mean you have to do something boring or wear something boring. We can definitely add some drama in our eyes. I'm just gonna line my eyes. So I'm gonna be doing something in my eyes that's gonna match up my meeting ready outfit, and I'm just gonna add a small little wing. The best part is that it's vegan and cruelty free, so nothing to feel guilty while using Plum products. Is gonna be the Desi style eyes, and honestly when it comes to Desi looks, it's all about the Indian touch that you add to your eyes. So I'm gonna do something that is gonna match my kurta as well. So let's get started. So this kajal is like smudge proof and stays on my eyes all day long. That's all for today. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite look, and also if you do happen to try it out, don't forget to tag Plum Goodness in your posts. If you had fun watching me create all these different looks, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Plum Goodness. Until next time, cheers, be good.